The woman accused of murdering West Des Moines realtor Ashley Okland is scheduled to make her first court appearance today.
Kristin Ramsey has an arraignment hearing where she'll formally enter a plea. The judge is also expected to hear arguments over whether investigators should be granted access to Ramsey's phone. This comes as newly released court documents reveal a witness told police they saw Kristin Ramsey outside the model home the day of the killing. The documents say she was pacing near a car before backing up at a quote, high rate of speed in an erratic manner, and also leaving the area. Ramsey's hearing is set for 1:30.
And ahead of this hearing, I spoke with a criminal defense attorney here in Des Moines. His name is Nicholas Sarcone, and he says arraignment hearings are largely procedural, but they are still important. He says what typically happens during these types of hearings is that the defendant will plead not guilty so the evidence can be properly reviewed. Then the defendant will confirm if they understand the charge or charges, and after that, a judge will set a pretrial conference and then a trial date. Specifically during Ramsey's hearing today, a judge will also hear arguments to lower Ramsey's bond and get rid of a search warrant to look through her phone, which we mentioned earlier. Now, Sarcone says if the public hears any new details from the defense side, that's likely going to be after this first hearing when they might want to start putting a story out there.
Typically, after the arraignment, the parties engage in what's called discovery, and that is the process by which the state turns over their evidence to the defense. At that point, the defense may choose to reveal some of the evidence.
Now, on the other hand, Sarcone says it might be a pretty long time before we hear more about the state's theory. He predicts this case could go one of two ways. It's either going to get to trial pretty quickly, or it might take years. And the proceedings are scheduled to take place at the Dallas County Courthouse. We're going to have full coverage of this hearing over on Weir Iowa Plus. Again, it starts at 1:30 this afternoon. Just scan the QR code on your screen, download on your TV, and you can watch this for free.